Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Balram Kafle.
Balaram Kafle. How old are you?
I'm 40 running, sir.
You are 40 running.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your education level?
Yeah, education level 10 class, sir.
10 class?
Yes, sir.
Do you have certificate?
Yes, sir.
You have certificate, okay.
Yes.
Then in which post you are applying for?
This warehouse, sir.
Warehouse.
Yes.
But if you get chance to work in other factories rather than warehouse, are you ready or not?
Sir, this qualification you will first check, and any problem you will also check. No problem. Not. I will still not tell you, sir.
It means you are ready to work in other factory also.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How many children do you have?
2 children, sir.
How many years?
Daughter running 14 and son running 10, sir.
Okay, one boy, one girl, and 14
Yes.
and 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many members in your family?
5 members, sir.
Who are they?
Mother.
One mother extra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you go get chance to go in Romania, then who will take care of your family?
Sir, my family welfare, sir, my family money problem, then I can go Romania, sir.
Who will take care of your family?
What can do? I don't know, sir. This.
If you go Romania,
This my wife, my mother also aged, no problem. My daughter also. My wife is all rounder handling, no problem.
no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are you doing right now in Nepal?
Still, sir, my house is still little small shop, sir. It's not shop and carrier. My house, sir.
Then you are a shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
You have your own shop.
Yeah, one
Okay.
small shop.
And do you have any overseas experience?
Over experience at Saudi Arabia, 4 years I am experienced Almarai company.
Almarai company,
Yes,
Saudi
sir.
Arabia.
Yes, sir.
As a
And other Qatar security guarding service, Qatar Dua Bank reception side 2 years, sir.
you mean you are working as security guard in Qatar
Yes, sir.
and Almarai company in Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
What are the duties in Almarai company?
Yes,
What
sir.
are your duties?
Duty sales, sir. Marketing sales.
What types of product?
Products are dairy items, sir.
Dairy item.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are sales in sales department. You are working.
Sales department. I'm working,
Now,
sir.
what are your duties then?
Duty is good, sir. That time sales, I'm delivery sales per days. I'm 37 soap delivery production dairy items.
Dairy item
Yes,
you
sir.
supply in various shop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Do you know about the salary pattern of Romania?
Sir, I know, sir.
How much?
570 wala, sir. 2 days I scam, sir.
$517 for 10 hours.
10 hours. How many
Yes.
days, sir?
26 days.
26 days, 10 hours, $517,
Dollars.
sir. Yes,
Is it
sir.
okay for you?
Yeah, okay, sir. No problem.
You can work 10 hours continuous without any break.
Yeah. Look, anyhow, spend and other also overtime, I give no problem break, sir.
And then
Yeah,
you,
I need working also money, sir. No problem.
you can work more than 10 hours.
Yeah, more than also 10 hours also I need, sir. I'm before companies, I take the money. So I'm 8 hours duty. I'm per day 12 hours also working. No problem. I get the money, sir. Company.
Okay. Do you have any friends, family, or others in working in Romania?
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Your any your friends?
No. I'm not friend there, sir. I'm still not talking anyways, not asking, sir, Romania.
Romania.
Yes, sir. Good day, everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you taken a COVID vaccine?
Yeah, I'm already taking care of
You have already completed.
Sir, I'm this Chinese vaccine, COVID-19
Okay, no.
vaccine.
You have already. It means you have already completed vaccine.
Yeah, already completed.
Okay. Thank you.